I'm ready!
Are you ready to race?
Yeah! I'm the red car.
Who's going to win?
Me! Hi guys, I'm Zoe and this is Zach, and today we are playing a super loop track. Yeah!
Are you going to be the winner?
Yes! And these are the cars that train for red car or blue car.
Cheering
and you got
for?
ambulance if you got hurt, and we got fire engine if you got on fire.
Yes.
If you bang yourself really bad.
Okay, are we ready?
Question is self, that means that's the rule.
What? I didn't get
When
it.
the race is finished, any different car can race for you.
Yeah, we've got all these.
Super fast Hot Wheels are cheering
For us.
for us.
It depends who's the winner.
I think it's going to be red car.
Hey, Zach, what do you say about that?
I think it's going to be blue car.
Ooh, shall we start the race?
Yeah! And we got blue car versus red car.
And you're the red car.
Yeah, and
That is the blue one. Ready for this race?
yeah!
Okay, we have blue car, Zach, and red car, Zoe. And this is our loop-a-loop. Look at that loop, super speed truck setting. So we have the finish line here. Alright, are you ready?
Yes!
Steady.
Yes! I need to go!
You heard Zach. Go.
Go.
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah!
Zoe won the first round, Zach. Round 2. Zach, are you ready?
Yeah!
I
Yeah!
can't see you. Are you ready, Zach?
Yeah!
Ready, Zoe?
Yes, I'm ready for this!
Excuse me.
Yes, I'm ready for this!
Ah, okay. And go. Yes, Zoe won the second round. Zach! Yay!
I won! I'm in there!
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah! I'm ready for this! I want to win the Kinderegg!
What's wrong with you?
I want to win!
Okay, we are all the winners, so no need. Alright, ready? Steady. Go! Yes! Zaki won.
I know for sure.
Zoe. Let me try this side.
Up.
Alright. Let's try. Ready?
Yeah.
Steady. Go. Ah, Zach. Yeah. Zoe won.
Zoe.
Ready.
Yes. Yes.
Steady.
Yes.
Go. Woo!
Went the same way.
Yeah. Let me see that. Zach, wait.
They went the first bit. They crashed in the bus and then they went.
That went okay. So 1 point each. Go back, Zach.
No.
Zach, ready, steady, go. Yes!
Crashed into me and then he crashed into me. He went like. I went with the fastest.
You're the fastest. You won that one.
Here, and then that crashed me like this.
Alright, ready, steady, and go. Whoa! Zaki won! Yay!
Here.
Yeah, but then Zaki went through the finish line first. I catch that, Zoe. Wow! Yeah, we just don't put it in the sun because it will melt. Ready, steady, go. Oh no! Oh no! You both crashed. Nobody gets a point. Zach, give me a boom. Oh, sorry, Zach. Go fix the finish line. He's laughing at us. Okay, ready? Do you want to take 5 minutes water break?
No.
Okay, ready? Steady.
Yes.
And go. Oh no. Whoa. Zach crushed. Zoe won. Ready? Steady. Go. Yes. Zach is. Whoa. Did you see that? Where did he go? There. Zach, you went in the plant. Oh, Zoe's one is a runaway one. It's running away. Come on back. Zach won that one, Zoe. Is it gonna be red or blue?
Blue, red. Blue, red. I see red.
Okay.
Oh, I read off my engine.
Okay, ready?
I need my engine ready. Can you wait for me?
Okay, Zach, you ready?
Yes.
Steady.
Yes.
And go. Oh! And Zoe punched you. Okay, so 1 point for Zoe.
Red card.
Ready,
I need my
steady, and go. Oh no, you're off course, Zach. I'm sorry.
One says red card.
Zach, get it ready. Give it more speed. Voila. Ready, steady, and go.
Oh,
Yes.
I found the cup.
Yeah. Now.
Blue goal. I
Yes.
got on the first round.
Let's go. Go get your car. Quick.
I'm already going to be ready.
Ooh. Ready, steady, and go. Woo! Oh, 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 oh! What's going on?
I went the fast blood.
Yeah,
Going to the jungle.
yeah. Zaki won. Remember? Yeah.
Again.
Zach, are you ready?
Yes.
Steady, and go. Oh, Zaki won. He went to the finish line first. Ha 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 ha! High five. Yeah, high five, high five. Yeah! Zaki's in the lead. Yeah!
But I'm in.
You're in the lead. Batman! Look at that girl.
Look at my engine.
Ooh, look at Zaki's engine. It's super cool. Super fast. You have to win this game, Zoe. Ah! Ready, steady, go. Ooh! Did you see that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But Zach is still the winner now. Zach is in the lead, Zoe. Are you ready for the next round?
Yeah. It looks like it's going to go because I look out.
Okay, come on, Zach. Ready, steady, and go. Yes! Oh!
I want you to do it.
You can do it, Zoe. Allez, come on.
But I'm not crying.
We're not crying. We're having fun, aren't we? Zoe, show me your face. Tell me you can do this. Tell me you can do this. Okay, come on. Zach is winning.
But I need to get 100.
No, 100 is too far.
Still get with my foot.
Okay, let's do this. Are we
I
ready?
need my foot. Wait. Look.
Whoa.
This is my engine.
Ooh, okay. Are we ready, guys?
Yes.
Steady.
Oh, I need my engine.
All right. And go. Yes, you went in the finish line first.
Yeah.
Zoe, Grumpy face. Ha 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 ha. Zach, show me your smiling face. Okay, get your car back. Let's do it. Next one. Come on. Are we ready?
Yes.
Steady
Yeah.
and go. Whoa! Who's doing juju on the beach? Oh! And Zach has got a crying face. So let's see Zach's crying face. Okay, wait. You're still winning. What do you say about that? You're still the winner. Okay, get your car. Get your car. Well done. Get your car. Zach is in the lead. Zach is winning so far. This is the last round, guys. Are you ready? Yeah. If Zoe wins, then we've got equal. No, equal points. If Zach gets one more point, then that means Zach is the winner. Alright? Are we ready?
Yes.
Whatever happened, we are all the winner. Okay. Yeah, the prize. Okay, this is it. Last one.
Yes.
Be strong and be fast. Okay? Okay? Ready? Steady? Go. Go. The champion is Zach. Stand up and show me your muscle.
I'm not the champion.
No, you won. You girl went in first. So Zach won this round. That was a good game, Zach. Phew. Good game, Zach. Hi, congratulations to Zoe.
Hey.
Ow, that's